Public slams KAAC for failure to secure district border. Incomplete bridge in number 2 Dolamara prolonging communication woes. Mahamaya and Korkanthi Mandal Congress observes Angikar Divas. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're visually baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. With another 191 more patients successfully discharged from various hospitals across the state, Assam is gradually gaining success in treating the COVID-19 patients. Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma informed that with the addition of 191 persons were discharged on Friday, taking the discharge tally in Assam to 3,000. A total of 3,039 out of the total 4,904 positive cases have won against corona. In the field of testing, Assam has done 12,000 more tests on Friday through its several testing labs across the state. Diphu Medical College and Hospital has been able to perform 1,107 tests so far. Meanwhile, no new cases of COVID-19 have been reported from the three hills districts of Assam at the time this report was filed. News as report, Karbi Anglong Live. Whether international or local, sensitivity over land encroachment is universal, and such is the atmosphere inside Daithor area. In a latest development, local people of the area told our correspondent that huge area of Karbi Anglong is under encroachment from Golaghat district. The village was established in the year 2005 with 14 families, but following the latest encroachment activities, the villagers are living in fear of being attacked by encroachers. Villagers told that members of Tea tribes and labor union of Lokhojan Tea State enter Lokhojan Kiding Crow village under Daithor police station on May 19, cleared jungle and went on to build houses and planted areca nut saplings. However, alert and brave individual identified as Sarim Crow stopped the encroachers from further illegal activity in the area belonging to Karbi Anglong. The illegal activities carried out by several groups of people from Golaghat have been reported to ARO, SDO and SDM Court Bokajan several hundred times, but none of the above concerned heeded to the matter. In addition to this, villagers told that encroachment incident had also been informed to local MEC Richard Toby, who instead directed the villagers to report the matter to ARO. To their luck, Daithor police station second OC reached the spot and erected the red flag. Few weeks after that, group of people from Golaghat district appeared again and started construction work inside the boundary of Karbi Anglong. Following this, local people immediately reported the matter to the Daithor police for the second time, after which the police personnel reached the spot and advised people of both sides to stop carrying out any activities and maintain peace. Meanwhile, villagers of Kiding Crow has urged upon the KAAC to solve the border issue at the earliest in the territorial integrity of Karbi Anglong and in greater interest for peace and harmony in the area. Residents of Kiding Crow village are helplessly waiting for response from the KAAC. Arji Santongpa reporting from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live News after the break. There are several places where old bridges have collapsed and people are hoping for getting new one. And there are also many bridges inside Karbi Anglong which have been standing incomplete for several years. For almost a decade, the people of number 2 Dolamara polling station has been expecting for the completions of the bridges under construction, which if completed would end many of their inconveniences. However, their difficulties in crossing the river is not in any way going to end soon, as the people have seen no contractor nor any government officials at the site to inspect the incomplete road. The construction of the RCC bridge, one over river Diflo and the other over Kai Pho Langso river, had been put to halt for almost a decade now.
Nili tumrada tunge ki sung lo ke che dam ke che wang no dukan bajar chukuri si dam le lang thi ben la hai non manang patang ponji phan sarkar phan kinang sot lo.
Villagers have met with several accidents as the temporary bamboo bridge are not strong enough to support heavy weights. At times, when the water level rises, the bamboo bridge get washed away by the water. In such times, sick persons are carried on shoulders or by poles to reach the hospital. Students have often missed their classes in summers due to the flood water.
Oh, class 1 lo?
Class 6.
Lang ke hat pe? For people lo?
For people of more than 10 villages located beyond the other side of the bank, these bridges are the only link to Silonijan, the nearest town. Following this, people of the 10 villages have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take immediate steps for the early completion of this bridge.
Kalau ning tu lang, tike la lang roy, bangso di flu roy parai ke do tu penangan arong do la pena dona paisen itu la pen mumar tu la bangso adelong ke tang tirek pen pot barla polote school gidun alang tu akiun edu kok tipu si than lo pimala la bangso check adolong se menon sido cholo lang nang thelu pulote la ke pon plin po non cheklo jana pilote la bangso delong ke pon po sedame ke damta ningkas melang tu la sonsi experience bom lo jalang tu school thelu pulote lang dun de school kidu na hod lang ke the pen pora lang tu hem si dona ko tilo la pen penang tu mang kang thinchi pathe sila bangso alang roi sedame apiri cham et si tame alang tu la pu pen sinang parna ko tilo la pen la bangso poka dilong penang na jirding lo ka selam tang pisa pini anda tang telang asi council so lo pan pang kri pulote ke bang jilang ani anso se sia kisung dolang people mo council foundation de non 23rd June lo te ako celebrate tu po tame development na hinat la pan ke pang lil tum theklong li to si pini la bangso
RG Sandongpa reporting from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live. Along with the rest of the nation, the Mahamaya Mandal Congress Committee and Korkanthi Mandal Congress Committee had on Friday observed the nationwide Angikar Divas to mark the 50th birthday of the former AICC President and youth leader Rahul Gandhi. The program was held at Mahamaya Mandal Congress office and was chaired by Mahamaya MCC President and former MEC Bidya Singh Rongpi. KADCC Vice President Ratul Teron also attended the event as guest along several other party members. On the other side, similar program held at the Korkanthi Mandal Congress office was chaired by Mandal Congress President Har Singh Crow and was attended by Sami Langso, Block Congress President Potmu Ronghang and others. Meanwhile, the number 14 Korkanthi Mandal Mahila Congress and Sami Langso Block Mahila Congress Committee held a joint press meet, clarifying that they did not give their commitment to Kasang Terangpi, the outgoing president of Karbi Anglong District Mahila Congress Committee, about resigning from their post. Mahila Congress members say that the statement given by Kasang Terangpi was baseless and was an attempt to malign the party's prestige.
District Baido Kasang Terang pialang li Rijik Mison Cipidet penapit alang li Kongres Akampem Pilo Puj alang li Rijik Mison Kacipi unahul nilitung korkan cia muhila tumanta alang li amen ke NP najo pini nali tumana ke phake ganon alang li nili tumana menang NK alang li nange en pon thap athema alang li phan nili tum lam ke sida chikilong le tapi alang li pe nili tum owat pun na tani tum thanga tani tum kacing ka cethanong ta be ase alang li tum matha ta ko ra tum ke je alang li tum ka ruar lo pen baido pen tok sudo mate owat pun men alang tum chiki bom pen na joksi kolkam cha muhila tum ta amen ke klang no pisidang li tum matha ta ko
Samsing Inti reporting from Dongmokak, Karbi Anglong Live. At a time when the nation is talking about a digital age, the Assam Power Distribution Corporation Limited has failed to sincerely contribute towards ensuring regular and efficient service to residents of several interior parts of Karbi Anglong, where proper power supply is still nothing but an unrealistic dream. People have alleged that they get electricity only for few hours a day, even when there is no rain or storm. And for reasons unknown, the people of Lower Habjan, Rongplim Plum and the adjacent areas have been suffering total blackout for the last 4 days. People informed that even after the power supply was disrupted, no one from the APDCL came to check the situation. This shows that the government's commitment for 24/7 power supply has become a sham promise for these poor villagers.
Dak dipu pen APDCL pen me mate karen la nagilo lake lapu manja pen amlukhi pen wang ko ladak up to 14 miles an Rongplim Plum sitame dulo lasi labang so jeng la karen nagilo bang ahok kawi penajok pinaan raratum kidu kisung cicak nang lo.
Further, these villagers say that for the last 3 years, they have not seen anyone coming for meter reading in Dikrut Giling village, Lower Habjan, Rongplim Plum, 14-mile Dilai and Koila Langso areas. They are clueless as to how the officials make their bill. Despite that, they are paying whatever amount of bill being charged from them. It is just because of this ongoing lockdown that they are finding some difficulty in paying their bills at this time.
Ni tumrong sorsi me land sapha policy alang tumke me nang lui pa ya kaita lasi ni tumbang ke arpulena pitikali aprang holi tiso bo phan pilo angala ta non bang suti andar ma bang nang wang da lo angala la meter reading tani tumlong bang pila men tulele aning kani tum phan ke me na pi se ta la so meter reading boy menat ni tumbang ke meter reading long bang pilang lasi ni tumbang ke ason do lo line men long le me alena tu bang ni tumke ning.
These villagers have urged upon the APDCL and the concerned authorities for immediate steps to ensure regular power supply and billing system. Vijay Rongpi reporting from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.